Hello friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Die Mode. And in Synchronous Modeling, today we will discuss about this replace phase. And with the help of this replace phase, we can replace any previous phase with the new one. So let's start this replace phase. And in this dialog box, we have first original phase. Suppose original phase, I have this my original phase, and replace phase, I want to replace to this face, so my result will something like this. Okay, or apply. Again, this is my original face, and replace face, my replace face is this, or apply, you can see. Okay, or undo. Again, replace face, original face, my original face is this, and replace face this, so my component replace with new one. Or just if I have any surface, and with this surface I want to replace my faces, then I have to draw a curve. Suppose this is my curve, and I'm going to extrude this so that it will convert into a surface. Just extrude this and extrude this curve symmetrically and click OK. Now I am going to use this replace face, and my original face is this, and I want to replace this face to this surface and click OK. Now hide this surface, so my face, previous face will be like the new one surface. Again, select this replace face, I want to replace this face to my replacing face is this, and click OK. The result will like this. Okay, or just undo this. Now replace this face, I want to replace this face, and my replacement face is this, and click here and hide this. Now you can see. So it is very useful command and very helpful while we are drawing. So hope you understand this.